Hello, everybody. I know y'all love my giveaways. I know. I'm rich. Holy cow. Like this. The front page is too good. So, look at it. Alright, anyways, today's video, I'm just gonna yeah. There's thank you. Starting to feel it. Anyways, y'all.
Oh, we're back here.
I'm going back to my team.
Let's go! Shit!
I'll show y'all. Okay, anyway, I'll show y'all how to be good at the game.
Love little kids.
Alright, so first,
Yes!
you're gonna.
Okay, let's do this. Also, what's up about the chameleon guy? He's like not on a single team. Ah, shoot!
Anyway,
Like, not even on a team. He's just.
you're gonna join the code. You can either do shotgun. There's only 3 shots. Once that happens, you get a reload. And if you want, you can do a reload. Just press 1. This controller would be B. This controller would be Y. So press those. Then it would reload back to the beginning. If you don't want to do that, no, I don't want this. If you don't want it, there's pistols.
Red keeps targeting kids.
See, I'm good. Anyways, look. This,
Killing and spawn, that's also cheating.
like, it's usually the same, but this one has 7 bullets, not tons of damage. Like I said, if you don't want to,
Hey, what are you doing?
No, my door's for you, buddy.
well, you can do that. And usually, the only goal of this thing is to defeat their base.
Oh, I thought you got smart.
And to defeat their base, you're gonna have
So my team?
to do that. In order to win, you're gonna have to defeat all the
Bro, I don't miss, boss. I don't miss.
You're gonna have to mine all their crystals.
Bro, I don't miss. What's this? I don't miss. Oh, what's this? I don't miss.
Yeah, like that. Once you do, once you get every single one of the crystals broken, then you win the game. You win your team.
Didn't miss.
Yeah, bro.
I don't miss. I don't miss.
Bro.
I got so many crystals.
Oh, sorry.
Huh? Okay. Thank you. I do this every single day.
And to win the game.
But it's okay. I love it. Anyway. Yeah. That's typically how you do it. And if y'all don't want, y'all can go over here. You can mine.
Get the shotties.
You can mine. Once you mine, you can get random items. You can also steal others. Okay. I recommend you to do that. How? That is no crazy no scope. I check it. Plus, if you want, you can go on top of the bases.
You're not entitled
But
to
if you want to do that, it's gonna take tons of years.
Double champion.
I'm sorry. Sorry, bro. Sorry. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
Alright, they got 3 left. If I made all of them, then I win.
You're hacking? You shot me when you're dead?
Oh, there we go. We won.
GG.
Wanna know why? Because someone destroyed everybody.
I love you guys.
They destroyed the other
This is some shooter
person's
games.
crystals. So,
Bro, same. He.
Bro, this is too easy. I don't want this.
Bro, please. I need them.
Bro, what the heck?
Take this lovely gift.
Bro, this motorcycle. Bro, we're
Dude,
winning.
also, I have very... Mr. Chameleon, he's not even on a fucking
Bro,
team.
I got you, teammate. Teammate, I got you. Teammate, bro.
we're fine. We're fine.